Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGuard for Healthcare. The very competitive industry of healthcare advertising is effectively navigated via PPC advertising. To begin with, when a viewer clicks on an internet ad, the pay-per-click advertising model drives traffic to websites. Furthermore, the visitor sees the PPC ad when a search term or word matches the advertiser's keyword list. PPC for Healthcare. The advertiser is only charged when the ad is chosen by a specific audience. Despite the fact that this system appears to be simple, healthcare is one of the most difficult areas for advertisers to navigate successfully. The majority of advertisers rely on the expertise of a reputable healthcare advertising firm. Healthcare advertisers face many of the same issues as advertisers in other industries, such as high competition and expensive keywords. But there are some things to consider that set the healthcare industry apart when it comes to paid search success. It's vital to grasp the hurdles before ever considering paid search as a means of building a business. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Step 1. Sign up. Just your good old sign-up process. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Step 2. Connect Google Ads. No technical expertise needed. Just follow the setup wizard. Step 3. Boost ROI. ClickGuard analyzes every ad click to identify and block fraudulent clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.